In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Gmail stars feature for greater flexibility. 5 minutes. If you've ever wished you had more than a single yellow star to organize your inbox, this is for you. Gmail lets you choose from a variety of stars and symbols and set the exact order they appear in so you can flag messages with more meaning and find them faster later. Start by going to gmail.com. Once your inbox is open, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. A quick panel will slide out. From there, click See All Settings to open the full settings page. At the top, make sure you're on the General tab. Now scroll down until you find the section labelled Stars. Here you'll notice two areas. One shows the stars and symbols currently in use, and the other holds the ones that are available but not yet active. The stars in use are the only ones you'll be able to cycle through in your inbox. The available section includes extra colors and icons like exclamation points and check marks that you can bring into your workflow. To customize, simply drag and drop the stars, symbols or icons between these two sections. Pull in the ones you want to use and remove any you don't need. You can also drag items within the in use row to set their order. That order matters. When you click the star next to a message in your inbox, Gmail cycles through your chosen symbols in exactly that sequence. If you want the purple question mark to appear right after the classic yellow star, place it second in the row. Think about a simple system as you arrange them. For example, a yellow star for general follow-ups, a red exclamation for urgent items, a green check for completed tasks, and a blue info icon for reference. Fewer, clearly defined symbols usually work better than too many, so keep it manageable. Once you've set things up, head back to your inbox and click the star beside any email to rotate through your selected symbols. Later, you can search for starred emails or filter by specific symbols using Gmail's search operators, which makes it even easier to surface what you need. That's it. You've customized Gmail stars to match the way you work. If your needs change, you can revisit the stars section anytime and drag things around again. Try it for a week, refine your set, and enjoy a cleaner, more informative inbox at a glance.